Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Word on Guitar. We have a very interesting song from Of Monsters and Men, and first time on Word on Guitar, I believe. I'm not sure, I've heard them before, but anyway, this is a song called Television Love, okay? So, not your typical guitar song, but very doable on a guitar anyway. So, let's go into this one, and as you can see, no need for any capo here. We have 5 chords to handle, so let's start with those. And we're gonna start with C. That's how the song starts. It goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Next chord, A minor. That will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. We move on to the D minor. That goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. G next, and that goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, 3rd E, and finally we have the F. That's a bar chord, so you place the index finger on the 1st fret and you cross all strings there, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And there you have the chords. Now we have 2 different strumming patterns, and they are different in action very much. Perhaps you heard that in the introduction of this tutorial, how I play them both. So I'm gonna teach you both here, and we're gonna use the C as the example because that is how the song starts. So grab that one, and one round goes like this. Okay, so that is one long string around, and it goes down down to start with, and then comes down, up, up, down, down, up, down. So. So it starts with down, down, and then down, up, down, down, up, down. So. And a couple of rounds to get the feeling for it. It goes like this. Okay, this is my interpretation of it, and it's very close to all the action that happens there in the background, because it could be the impression of a kind of a messy song or sound background wise, and this is how close we come with the strumming. So that is one version of it. Then the second one is very easy. It's just about 4 downs, and you're gonna play half amount of time. So I'm gonna teach how to play this tutorial, this song, with the first version I showed you, and the amount of strumming rounds you're gonna play there, think half of them now when we learn this second version. So if you grab the chord again, C, then you're gonna play like this. Okay, so down, down. Okay. So what I do here, I play on the first down, and then on second down, I play a full downstroke. The first one is more kick on the bass or so bass mid strings, and then the second one is where you really go down all the way with a full string down. And so that is how you're gonna play 4 downs and half amount of times of what I teach right now. So let's go into the actual song, and the first verse you're gonna play C, 4 string rounds, G, 2, and A minor 2. You're gonna play it for all of this first one round. So with the strumming, it goes like this. Okay, so that is the first verse. Into the chorus now, and we are 34 seconds in. So yeah, I'm Bleeding Love. I think that is where we are on the lyrics. And what you're gonna do here now is to play A minor 2 string rounds, D minor 2, G2, and F2. In that portion, you're gonna play for 2 rounds. So let's go for 1 round: A minor, D minor, G, F, 2 string rounds per chord. 2 rounds there, and then we have the second round of this song. That's the second verse. You're going to play exactly the same, but you're going to double up there. So instead of only 1 round of C, G, and A minor, you're going to play 2 rounds in the exact same way. And that takes us to the second chorus. That second chorus is just repetition, so no news there. And that follows with an instrumental part after this second chorus. And yeah, it happens about 2 minutes and 11 seconds in. What you're going to play here is another verse play. So that means C4, G2, and A minor 2 for 1 round. After that comes the bridge part / outro. All right. So what you're going to play here now, D minor 2, G2, C2, and F2. And you're going to play that for 7 rounds. And here I just bunch it up together. The bridge and outro, it just plays in the same way. So D minor 2, G2, C2, F2, 7 rounds. And then you end off with 1 down on the beautiful A minor. And that is how you end the song from Of Monsters and Men, Television Love. So thank you for listening here, guys, and I try my best to get out cool songs for you, educational, and yeah, hope to get something back. So if you can like this tutorial if you wish, perhaps subscribe, leave a comment of what I can change or what was good. Thank you, and play tuned.